Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to apply Swiggy Partner. First, ensure you meet the basic eligibility requirements, which typically include being over 18 years old and having a suitable vehicle. Next, gather all necessary documents such as your driver's license, vehicle registration, and proof of address. Finally, make sure you have a smartphone with a stable internet connection, as the entire process is app-based. Once you have your documents ready, download the official Swiggy Delivery Partner app from your App Store. After installation, open the app and register your account using your mobile number and email address. You'll then proceed to fill out the online application form. Be sure to provide accurate personal details, vehicle information, and bank account details for payments. This step is crucial for a smooth onboarding. After completing the form, you'll need to upload clear images of all your required documents directly through the app. This includes your driver's license, vehicle registration, and any other identification. Following this, you might be asked to complete a short online or in-person orientation session. Finally, the Swiggy team will review and verify your application. This process usually takes a few business days. Upon successful verification, you'll receive your official Swiggy delivery kit, which typically includes a uniform and a delivery bag. The app will then guide you on how to accept and complete your first delivery orders, explaining the navigation and payment processes. Remember to stay hydrated while on your routes. Check the description for a link to a fantastic water bottle and other helpful deals. Soon, you'll be earning money as a valued Swiggy delivery partner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.